Want to create that type of plane effect in After Effects without any plugins? Let me show you how to make that plane effect. Step 1. Set up your composition. Firstly, make a composition layer and add an image on your timeline. Step 2. Add a solid layer. Make a solid layer with a fully black color, and this will be our lane base. Step 3. Apply CC Rainfall effect. Search Rainfall effect in Effect and Preset. CC Rainfall and apply on it your solid layer. Step 4. Change blend mode. Click toggle switch mode and change your blending mode to the screen. Step 5. Adjust setting. Set the value drop into 3000 and size set to 8 and screen depth set to 8000 and wine set to 10 and opacity set to 100. Now it's really look like it's lame. If you wanna slow, then change speed into 2000. And here it's go. You made your lane effects in After Effects without using plugin. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like buttons and subscribe.